Okay, let's take the phrase the happy boy. In Samoan, we'd say o le tamafiafia. Anytime we identify something, we use a noun tense marker, o. The o is like saying presently and habitually, it is. Or if the sentence is plural, they are. So o le tamafiafia can be interpreted as the happy boy or it is the happy boy. Another way to word this is to say the boy is happy. You'd very likely hear it in Samoan sentence structure. If you feel le tama, happy is the boy. Tense, action, and then the subject. It sounds reversed in English, but this is Samoan. You might look at the word happy or fia and say, that's not an action, it's an adjective or a word that describes an action. But in Samoan, you can use description words as actions as well. But when they're in the action place, they must have an action tense marker. The action tense marker that means present, habitual tense is e. So tense, action is fia and letama. If you feel letama. That means every subject phrase where we identify a noun like this, we can reword it by putting the description before the subject with the present tense marker e.